Today we're going to do a walk around of our 24,000-pound Texas Pride Gooseneck double car hauler trailer. This model is available in lengths from 32 feet to 40 feet. So let's start at the front and work our way to the back. Up front we have a 4-hole adjustable gooseneck coupler that allows you to adjust the height on your trailer to your truck evenly to ensure your trailer is level while going down the road. The coupler is attached to the tongue of the trailer, which is heavy 10-inch channel iron with support gussets. Now, some other trailers often use a lighter 8-inch channel, but we feel that for a trailer this size, a 10-inch channel provides maximum strength and stability. Behind the coupler, there are 2 heavy-duty safety chains, and every Texas Pride trailer features all DOT-required safety items, such as an emergency breakaway switch with long-lasting battery, and more reflective tape than you will find on most other trailers. This trailer also comes standard with a 7-way electrical plug, and all of the wiring on the trailer is modular and sealed to ensure years of trouble-free use. Behind the tongue, we have dual 12,000-pound drop leg jacks with spring return. Almost all Texas Pride Gooseneck trailers feature dual jacks for more stability and lifting power to make it easier for connecting and disconnecting your trailer from your vehicle. Another great feature that comes standard on this trailer is the heavy gauge diamond plate toolbox for storage of straps, chains, and tools. The box is lockable and keyed for security of your stowed items. One popular add-on for this trailer is the optional 8,000-pound worn winch. If you opt for the winch, it comes with a deep cycle marine battery and an onboard 8-amp charger and tester. You simply push a button on the charger to see the status of the battery. And if the battery is low, you simply lift the weatherproof access cover and connect a standard 110-volt extension cord into the charging port to recharge the battery. Adding the winch option is great for pulling vehicles up on the trailer that are no longer operational. Walking around the side of the trailer, we have an 8-inch by 2-inch rectangular heavy wall reinforced tubing frame. This provides more strength and less flex and twisting than a channel iron frame often used on many other trailers. The cross members on this model are heavy 3-inch channel on 20-inch centers and run the full length of the trailer. The flooring is 24-inch wide, heavy gauge diamond plate steel runners with open centers, which allow access to the underside of the vehicles. On the outside of the deck, we have stake pockets and a heavy-duty rub rail, along with D-rings for securing your load from any possible position. A highly recommended option is the perforated holes in the flooring, which allows you to tie the wheel straps directly to the floor. The deck of the trailer is about 82 inches wide between the fenders, and the overall width of the trailer outside to outside is 102 inches wide. Now, for extra wide vehicles, there is an option to extend the deck out to 102 inches wide with drive-over fenders. This option is great for loading oversized vehicles such as swamp buggies or dually trucks. Another nice standard feature on this trailer are the heavy gauge reinforced fenders, heavy enough you can stand on. We also added diamond plated steps on the front and the back of the fenders for easier and safer access to the deck. For running gear, you have triple heavy duty 8,000-pound 8-lug axles with brakes on all 6 wheels standard. If you get in a slippery situation, you want all the braking power you can get. Now, one highly important standard feature on these axles is the convenient built-in lubrication system. To fill or top off the central grease reservoirs, you simply pop out the center cap in the hub and fit a grease gun over the Zerk fitting and fill. Simple and convenient. And where the rubber meets the road is going to be 6 premium 16-inch radial 14-ply tires mounted on 8-hole high-grade steel wheels for maximum stopping power. There is also an optional spare tire and wheel available that mounts in the top of the gooseneck. Out of the way, yet easily accessible. Walking around to the back of the trailer, we have the 6-foot dovetail, which angles downward for an easier transition when loading and unloading vehicles that have a low ground clearance. This trailer also comes with 5-foot steel ramps that stow conveniently underneath the trailer when not in use. There is also an option for 5 or 9-foot aluminum ramps that are just as strong as steel but half the weight. When it comes to the paint and finish on a Texas Pride trailer, we spare absolutely no expense. The process starts with a full media blasting to remove any surface rust or scale. Then each trailer is fully primed top to bottom in preparation for the 2 top coats of automotive-grade acrylic enamel paint, all of which is done in our new state-of-the-art paint facility. This ensures you have a protective, durable, and shiny finish for years to come. The last thing we want to mention is that lifetime LED lighting is standard for all Texas Pride models, and all lighting is either recessed or steel encased to protect them from accidents and the elements. If you have any questions about this trailer, please feel free to give our friendly staff at Texas Pride a call. We'd like to thank you for taking the time to look at our 24,000-pound Texas Pride Gooseneck double car hauler trailer.